Yeah, actually it is mentioned in the book INCPC also it is 1:3. Means for one nurse is expected to look after 3 patients. But it is not practiced, it is only on the books. Then it is suggested it should be 1:6 for every shift. But what they calculate to avoid this 1:6 for all 24 hours. So always there is a shortage. And one nurse is looking after 60 patients. If you go to general hospitals, sometimes the wards are full. Even in I don't know about here, but in Mumbai, in municipal hospitals, even under the cot also 2 patients are there. On the floor under the cot, 2 patients are there. One is like this, one is like this, and so very like this. And such patients are looked after our nurses. And sometimes they also get tired because they are also human beings. They travel, their homes are somewhere, and they travel in. I'm talking about Bombay because I belong to Bombay. They travel in crowded trains and they come and work here. And when they go back, they don't get proper rest. All are not having very big houses and all. Sometimes there is no place for them to even relax after night duty and all. There are many social problems and government should look after this. Then government says that our nurses are not ready to go to rural area. If they want that nurses should go in rural area, they should be provided with the basic facilities, proper housing, water facility, and proper toilets. I have seen in rural area these nurses are not given any of these things. Then why would they go to the rural area? If they want that nurses should, now if you go to America, London, even in any smallest village also, all these facilities are there. Nobody is deprived of these facilities. So you must have seen in rural in Western countries, as they are getting settled, they go away from the main city. Whereas in here it is ulta. From smaller places, they want to come to big cities to have better life. Isn't it? So if government really wants that our health status should be improved, they must improve, they must give minimum basic facilities to nurses and doctors also. Same case is there in case of doctors also, they are not given basic facilities. They also have directorate of nursing. Very few states have, like West Bengal, they have 14 to 15 nursing directors. But in all other states, we don't have a directorate of nursing. This director of nursing is that post is occupied by the doctor. And instead of repeatedly requesting, the changes have not yet occurred. Then state level continuing nursing education cell. There is no nursing education cell in the state of Goa. So this TNI branch of Goa will take up this issue and they will form a education cell.
Yes, no, we have to give them how the doctors or medical persons are going and updating the information, and nurses also should be given a choice for the continuing nursing education program has to be given properly so that they can equip the knowledge, equip the skills, and so they can provide the better care. Because as a nurse, we need to update our knowledge, get full of knowledge. As a nurse, I need to have that commitment and care and passion and compassion. As a nurse, I should do what I have learned. Head full of knowledge, heart full of passion, and the commitment with a serving hand. That's what we are teaching to the nurses. That every nurses are empowered with all the qualities that we have been seeing for all these few days. How the Goa nurses are having even a tough time. They have put a smile on everybody's face. And day and night they are working and they are doing. And the society needs to recognize the nurses and the commitment and the passion for the work, and the government recognize the nurses is very, very important. In mentioning the major points already, our President, Madam Anita Agrawal mentioned, fill up the post is very important, and nurse-patient ratio is equally important, and giving the recognition to the A&M nurse and considering the tree is very, very essential. And this all the requests which we, on behalf of the Trained Nurses Association of India, which is representing their 33 branches as well as the 3 lakhs nurses and 1.5 student nurses as a member of our association, and requesting the Goa government to do the things needful for the Goa nurses to grow.